Welcome, we are going to convert this boring looking jacket into a customized jacket, and I have also created my own custom jacket. And if you also want to have a custom jacket, then look onto the DIY. Whoa, it's really looking beautiful, guys. The area which we want to paint, we will tape it up from all the four sides. We are going to take white fabric color on a sponge and dab it on to the area which we have taped. You can see the difference in the area where the color is dabbed and where the color is not dabbed. In the same procedure, we are going to dab all the area which is taped. Voila, now you can look how perfect sky texture has been created. To embrace the sky texture more, I'll dab it in the some area again with the white color in the same dabbing procedure. Whoa, it's done. After drying for 1 to 2 hours, it looks like this. I wanted a custom jacket of my name, so I'm going with the flower diagram at the lower area and the upper area and leaving the center part to write my name. And it's only not the way to make your custom jacket. If you want a painted jacket, you can also make unicorn and stuff, any theme you would go for. And if you're bad at drawing, you can just take out the printer of a unicorn and cut it out and place at the jacket and draw it up. Time my drawing was completed, I realized the area where I want to write my name, I need it to be highlighted. So I just highlighted in the same procedure as I did the jacket with the white color and wrote my name. Finally, my drawing has been completed. I'm going to paint first all the leaves, and I'm just going to do basic sap green color. I'm not going to do any shading, any strokes, that everyone can do it very easily. First flower we are going to paint with basic red color. First we'll fill in the flower with all red color. I'm going to highlight the centers and the corners of the flower with a dark maroon color, as you can see how I have done it. Now we are going to create our second flower with light pink color. I have created this light color by mixing my red color and white color. Same procedure, we are going to outline the corners with the red color and stroke the color in downwards direction. going to highlight the center of the flower with the red color. As you can see how I have done it. By completing the same procedure of my painting, I have completed the rest of my flowers. Firstly, I have colored the petals with majestic pink color and then I am stroking the white color from downwards to upward direction. We are going to take black paint and finish writing the name. Voila, we are going to be almost done. Now we'll see how to make this rose. First we'll take the dark maroon color and outline all throughout the flower in dabbing motion and leave some space between. The gap we left, we'll fill it with white color in the same dabbing motion. Finally, the rose is also done. In the jacket there were some gaps and I was not liking it, so I filled it with polka dots, small and big polka dots. Finally, the jacket is completed and it's looking really beautiful. Hand painted jackets can cost too much. You can create your own in very less amount. Colors I used, the list is given. You can go through it.